Kwa majina naitwa Martina Tanga. Mimi ni mzazi wa Candice Valerie, joining grade 5 here at Roots Academy. Tumekuwa na some challenges now hii season ya back to school concerning the economy. Mambo huku nje si rahisi. Cause ukiangalia uniforms, the price yenye tulinunua last year compared to saizi imeshoot. Vitabu pia the same imeshoot. Okay, nikisema vitabu, kuna vitabu zenye tu tumeandikiwa tununue, not vitabu zote. Maybe ni school fees tu. Kawa neza consider it, at least weke kitu yenye hata ule mwananchi wa chini anaweza afford.
Thanks for the humble head teacher Roots Academy. We are very glad that we've kicked off the 2024 academic year, and we are very happy. We are receiving our learners both from our primary section and our junior secondary section. As teachers, we are already planned and set for the new academic year. We've at least adjusted to the new changes that were made as far as the learning areas are concerned. We had a slight adjustment on our school fees structure. That is because of the harsh economic times that are there. Our parents were a little bit comfortable. Others felt it was a hard time for them.